welcome back to Color Guard with Plus. If you are new here, my name is Erica, and I just want to say thank you so much for coming to my channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for all of your love and support. As always, God is gonna bless you. Today is day 6 of Vlogmass, and I am just about to make some breakfast this morning, so I wanted to do a little video of, you know, cooking with Erica, little cooking class this morning. I am going to be making salmon cakes and eggs. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys my little process of everything that I'm doing and whatnot. And yeah, this isn't like, I don't know, like a regular cooking show. I'm not about to sit here and do step by step, but literally just wanted you guys to see, you know, what I'm doing right now, because it's a vlog and it's Vlogmass, and I'm hungry, and I just woke up at like 10:30 right now, so. Phelps over today for, well, he's gonna be eating breakfast and stuff with us. So this is his first time having salmon cakes, but I am gonna make it bacon as well. So that's what you guys see in the pan right now, just in case he don't like them. But I know he gonna like them because I'm gonna make them, and they gonna be good, you know, period. But FYI, public service announcement. Have you guys ever had bacon cooked in the oven? If you haven't, you should try it. It's a different type of level, okay? Bacon cooking in the oven compared to cooking on the stove, something different, okay? I don't even really like pork, but I'll eat bacon. I'll eat bacon. All I gotta say is if you haven't tried to cook bacon inside the oven, please try that now, because you are missing out, period. Okay, y'all, so my breakfast is just about done. I have my bacon that just came out. I got the salmon cakes, the eggs. We popping over here. Thank you guys for watching my day 6 of Vlogmass cooking with Erica. I will take a little picture of the finished product. I'm still waiting on the blueberry muffins to be done, but hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. As always, see you guys back soon on Color God with Bliss. Color God with Bliss. See ya.